Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk a little bit about how to clean your Panasonic Pro Trimmer, how to keep it nice and clean time after time. So I've got here the GP84 model in front of me. Obviously some models may vary, do check your operating instructions for more information, but we're going to go through some general cleaning tips when it comes to the Pro Trimmer. The first thing I want to mention is before you do any cleaning or maintenance, make sure it's unplugged, make sure it's switched off. You don't want to be doing this when there's any power going into the unit at all. Secondly, we don't recommend using any water or liquids or harsh chemicals on the Pro Trimmer at all. We're going to do a dry clean. That's what we recommend, and as long as you do that nice and regularly, it's going to be absolutely perfect for your trimmer. So you will notice that with your Pro Trimmer comes a nice little maintenance brush here. You'll see it's got two types of brushes. We're going to use both those types and we're going to show you which one is perfect for which use. Great, so we've got our brush, we've got our trimmer. First thing we're going to do is pop the blade off the trimmer, making sure that we're set to 2mm before we do that. Just going to again make sure your fingers are behind the blade to catch it. Gently push the blade away. That removes it from the body. We're going to put the blade to the side at the moment and we're just going to focus on the main body of the trimmer. We're going to take our brush again and we're going to use the smaller, longer bristle brush. This one is absolutely perfect for getting into those hard to reach places in the trimmer body. So we're going to brush away any build up of hair that has gotten attached into this cavity here, being really nice and thorough but also gentle as well. Once we're happy all that hair has been gotten out of there, we're fine with that body now. We'll set that aside and we'll pick up the blade. So most important thing to remember when you're brushing the blade, we're going to use the larger bristles now. Is that make sure you're brushing with the blade to avoid any damage. Never perpendicular, so always brush through those little teeth in the foil and the blade. Again, to get any bits of hair that have built up, we're going to flip it around and make sure very gently that there's nothing stuck in the inside here. Also a really good opportunity to do a little check to make sure there's nothing going wrong on the internal side of the blade. Make sure everything's looking okay, nice and clean, nothing untoward going on. At this point you can also add a little bit of oil to the blade. We'll show you in another video how you can do that for this model, but always a good idea to make sure it's well oiled. So that's our body, that's our blade done. One thing people often forget is actually cleaning the charge cradle of your Pro Trimmer. Really important. This is where your Pro Trimmer sits for hours and days at a time. So make sure this is really well cleaned as well, especially around the charge connector point. Oftentimes we get people calling in saying, my trimmer isn't charging as well as it used to, it's taking ages, whatever. That could be down to bits of hair, bits of debris getting into this charge connection here, getting into the bottom of the charger on your trimmer and loosening essentially that connection, so it's not going to charge as well. So make sure your charge case is kept really clean. You can turn it over and even give this bottom port a brush as well, because hair can fall through there or even get up through there when you lay it on the table. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can give your Panasonic Pro Trimmer a really good clean. And the more often that you do that, the better it is for your Pro Trimmer. It's going to massively improve the lifespan of your product. So I hope you found that really helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.